In this video, we're going to replace the alternator in this 2013 Hyundai Elantra. We're going to remove the negative battery terminal. We're going to do that with a 10mm socket. Just get it loose enough and wiggle it straight up and off. Just set that aside. All right, so we're going to remove this top engine cover. Just grab it from underneath on the sides to lift straight up. There are 4 pins that sit into the back of this. They're just pressed in. All right, so we're going to remove this clip holding our electrical connection in place. Just going to use a panel tool. Just going to remove this electrical connector. We're going to push in on this tab and pull our connection out. Check it, make sure it's clean, not corroded. Set it aside. All right, so we have one more connection here. Just going to press in that tab and open this up. Use a pick tool to press the tab and open it. All right, with a 12mm socket, take this nut off. We can remove that terminal. Set it aside. With a 12mm socket, we're going to remove this bolt here. With the 14mm, we're going to remove this here. Now with those two removed, you can take your belt off of the pulley. You do want to keep a little tension on the belt, so you might want to zip tie or put a cable tie here just to hold it in place on the serpentine system. We'll do that now. All right, so with the belt up and out of the way, we can now remove our alternator. Sometimes you can just wiggle it and it'll come free. If not, you can use a pry bar. It's usually the back side here that's stuck on. All right, so now we're going to install our alternator. Be very careful of this harness and connector here. Go ahead and sit it in place. We're going to put our back bolt in first, so we're going to line that up. All right, so because the mount back here is really tight, we're just going to use a pry bar to push it back into place. We're going to pry up against the front core support. I don't need a lot, just enough to get there. And then it's just a matter of wiggling it and shifting it into place so you can get your bolt in. I'll just start thread that by hand. We're going to snug this bolt up. That way it holds the alternator in place where we want it to be. With your back bolt snugged up, we can put our drive belt back on. Just going to clip our zip tie. Put our belt back in place. Lift our alternator up. You always want to make sure, like in this case, the belt came off of where it needs to be. So just readjust that. So this bolt's going to go through your tensioner into your alternator. Again, you're going to have to line up the alternator. There's a groove in the back it will also fit through. Alternator needs to come up a bit. All right, so our alternator is still sitting a little low. We're just going to try and pry it back up just a little bit. Get our bolt to line up. And if that doesn't work, here's your adjustment on your tensioner. What you can also do is loosen this adjustment until your bolt lines up, and then readjust back down, because we will have to put new tension on the belt. The 12mm socket, we'll snug up this bolt. Now we'll torque down the bottom bolt here. They're going to be 20 foot-pounds, 12mm. All right, and the top bolt here, 14mm. I'm going to tighten that down to 25 foot-pounds. So if you're reusing your old belt and you have marks where your old setup was, you can go ahead and bring your alternator back up to that tension point on your bracket here and just line it up in the same place. All right, now we can connect our cable back on. And this one needs to be torqued down to 10 foot-pounds, 12mm. And we can close up that cover. So now we can take our clip, plug it back into the alternator. And our plug, line up your tab. All right, now we can reinstall our engine cover. These two holes, you just want to line them up, center in those two things here, and then push it down, front and back. And just give it a lift up just to make sure you're seated all the way in. And I'll put our negative battery terminal on. Press it down and tighten the bolt with a 10mm socket.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.